So if you ever need to reset your computer or your Windows, type in reset PC. Go to reset this PC and you have to click on to get started. And you've got two options, and both of them you've got keep my files and remove everything. So if you want to wipe everything and start again, choose the second option. But even if you keep files, it can be a bit messy, so expect to lose some stuff, but it does its best to save as much as it can. So that's it. Just type in reset here and choose which option you want. I'm not going to do it because it takes a couple of hours, so that's it.